Bro, it's crazy. Watch this.
Look at this, Tom. It's a machine gun bunker. Got the bulletproof plates on rails, and you can slide them over the entrances to protect you. Got the wooden shutters so that you can close it when it's cold. Look at the size of this door. This must be where they stored the artillery shells. You wouldn't want to store these where all the people were, because if it blows up, you don't want it to wipe out the whole base. Tommy's fingers are getting cold, so I think it's time to make camp. Hey, Tom, does that feel better?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some hot Tang. For those of you that were alive in the 80s, you might remember that powdered drink mix Tang. Well, it's still alive and well here in Alaska, and we like to drink it hot.